circles. So the center of pistol grip, I can snap to the center line here. Let's put down a basic shape and add some dimensions to it. I probably don't even need them. I can still run with it here. Okay, so that sketch is now in the middle of this. That's fine, doesn't matter. It's still one chunk of material. All right, if we go to our side view, the handle comes down. Does the handle come straight down, or do we want it at a little bit of an angle? We know we could extrude that sketch. You could just take sketch 5, features, extrude, drag it down, easy enough. But if I want to put a little bit of an angle on that thing, remember what we did last time? We actually used sketches to drive some features. So I'm going to exit that. I'm going to do a reference line out here. Because the angle of the pistol grip, I don't know exactly what that angle is going to be. So I'm going to set up a situation where I create a new sketch, and I create a construction line. I can just do it off here to the side. It doesn't have to be, doesn't have to touch anything. It's a reference line. Exit sketch. Okay, let's do the extrusion now. So features, extrusion. The sketch to extrude is sketch 5. The line to follow is this one. And then flip the direction so it goes down. And how deep it goes, I can eyeball that one. Exit. So there. Now the angle of the pistol grip is controlled by this line. And now the sketch itself, I might go edit, make it a little bit smaller. So sketch 5, you go inside sketch 5 and shorten it a little bit. I don't like its proportions. So everything should update. Okay. Alright, this is still one chunk of material. Do not shell it yet. Can't say that enough. If you were to build this part in Model Shop, would you shell it out before you finish sculpting the outside? Of course not. You take a chunk of foam, you work outside in. The same thinking applies here. Get the outside detail before you get to the inside. Your life will be much easier if you go that route. So next step, let's integrate the handle to the body. Easiest way to do this is fillets. So I'm going to grab the fillet feature, and I'm going to start with some fillets on the pistol grip itself. Why don't I just select this end face and make sure I get all my corners. I'm not going to grab the ones that go to the body yet. I want a second fillet for that. I don't know how big that's going to be. I suspect that these fillets, probably a little bigger, but I don't want them too big. I'll start to get to see, you can't even build one smaller than that. So about right there is good. Okay. All right. Let me do a second fillet where the handle flows into the body. So fillet number 2, I want the ability to put different measurements on there. So let's grab one of these edges. So it understands that it needs to chain that edge automatically.
So cool.
Now let's play with size. So it's a 0.3, a little bit bigger fillet on this one. Let's see what it looks like. So those two kind of roll together. So now the handle's integrated into the outside face. That's what I wanted. Now I can go ahead and start thinking about the interior of this thing.